Alrighty, step one, 2 screws right up here, one on the other side. All right, step 2, go in here and pop this off right here. Just a little panel, just like that. And then we're gonna undo this screw right here. And then there's another one to the right down there. Ready? And these clips go in like this, gray, white, white. All right, next one right here, 2 bolts to remove this plate. Okay, so the hardest part, a lot of people will say, is this bolt right here. Honestly, this wasn't even that difficult. And a lot of people say, oh, you should cut it. You should do something. You should not cut it. Do not cut this bolt. There is no reason to do that at all. Look at this angle that I have the steering rack right now. I'm gonna lift this up. You need to take out those 2 top bolts right there, those 2 14mm right here. You need to take these out first, pull it down just enough to where it's at an angle going left, and the bolt will go from this to this and then outwards, and you will have enough clearance to pull it out. Anybody saying cut it or it's going to be hard, it's not. It's really not. You just need to take your time with it and maneuver this a certain way. That's it. That's it. So now that it's out, we're going to go ahead and take this down more and then undo these 2 bolts right here. Okay, this is the kit. This is the dampener kit, right? So this is the part number from Toyota. Toyota says these 2 bolts right here are in the kit, and they are disposable. These are non-reusable parts. And then in this kit, you'll get this little green thing as well, right here with this little black thing in the center. This is what you're all going to be replacing. This, and these bolts. These bolts are the one on the power steering rack anyway. All right, guys, that's how it looks. All these green little pieces were right up in that dampener, the power steering shaft. So we got all new ones of these, got new bolts and everything, torqued it down. So we're about to just put it right back in. And by the way, that bolt that's in the back, it went in perfectly fine. No cutting. Already, all done. Everything's put right back to how it was.